Hey everybody, this is Ben from Styles Machinery, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Production Assist cutting kit from HOMAG's Digital Factory. And you guessed it, this kit is powered by the HOMAG Cube that we see here in front of us. Also, as we go through the box, we'll take a look at some of the components and talk a little bit about how they interface with the process of running production. And as a reminder, the Production Assist sets are designed as an online labeling solution. So if you're in the market for a labeling solution to track your parts on sliding table saws, beam saws, and even nested bed machines, this might be the solution for you. A couple of big things: zero integration, pretty sweet. Also, this works on non-HOMAG machines as well. So let's get in the box, take a peek at what's inside, and talk a little bit more about it. Okay, so now let's take a look at that first layer inside the box and see what goodies they've put in there for us. So, the first thing we'll pull out here is our instruction manual. Everyone loves instruction manuals, right? Everyone reads them, okay? So, the instruction manual for the HOMAG Production Assist Cube, okay? First, you'll see a little QR code in the corner. So if you want more information on the cube itself, if you scan this QR code with the camera on your phone, it will take you to the website that will give you more information about what this little guy does, a little bit more info about behind the technology with this guy here. But focusing on the Production Assist set we have here in front of us, okay? This is the cutting production set that we're looking at. And HOMAG has done a really nice job putting together some documentation here for us, most of it line drawing format, okay, to make it really easy to understand. There's not that many words, okay. It just gives you some illustrations here, which is mostly what this is, of how to take things out of the box, how to make a box to install this in, okay. How to connect all the wires, how everything works inside the box once you've constructed it. Even shows you the machines that it works on, and shows you where to go download those applications that you'll need from your respective app stores, whether it's the Google Play Store or Apple iOS store. So you can go download those applications, right, so they can work on your phone and your tablet, okay? The next thing that we'll take a look here, which is, of course, the brains behind the operation, is the HOMAG Cube itself, okay? Again, the brains behind the operations here. The first thing you'll see here is there's a lot of writing and pictures and words on the outside of the box, but I think it is important to look at them because it gives you some idea on how to actually set things up and connect them. And again, there's a QR code on the outside here to give you a little bit more information on what the cube is, the technology behind it, more or less how it works behind the scenes, right? So we'll take a look at the cube itself, okay? The power supply is also inside this box. But the cube itself here is nicely manufactured. Okay, it has a circuit board inside, a processor inside, and has a nice wood band on the outside, and of course the LEDs, because it's got to look cool. So a couple different colored LEDs that we have here. Red LEDs means that it's either in the setup process or there's a communication issue that needs to be resolved. But you'll see that right away when you plug it in anyway to get set up so that it can communicate with the server and self-initialize, more or less. Okay, so then they'll go blue, right, when you're ready to go, and when that communication is been confirmed and it's actually functioning properly and communicating with the application, right? So now we will peel back the next layer that's inside the box and see what kind of goodies we have in the bottom layer of the box. So there's always more in store. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so far we have taken a look at the instruction brochure and again our HOMAG Cube, right, the brains behind the operation. But wait, there's more. Also, no Production Assist kit or set would be complete without your label printer. So HOMAG also includes the Zebra label printer, okay? This printer is a simple setup USB cable connected directly from the printer to the cube. And as the cube receives those labeling instructions from the cloud, right, which come from you on your tablet, your mobile device, that information comes through the cube down to the printer prints the labels. But how do you print labels without labels? Well, HOMAG also has that base covered too. They've included not only one, but two rolls of labels to get you started. We'll also include some more details and description as to what label size you'll need and some content below here. But It's got 2 rolls of labels to get you started on labeling your parts. Also, what you'll find in the box, and this is the boring stuff, right, is your cables, right? You get your power supply here for your printer, and then some Ethernet cords as well. So that simple setup, simple unboxing, quick short video on what is included in the kit. If you have questions, don't hesitate to email us, let us know. Again, my name is Ben from Styles Machinery. I'm a digital solutions specialist here. Thank you very much for your time.